Konnichiwa, Tiffany Rika this. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have an exciting fashion haul for you guys from Yesstyle.com. I've purchased from Yesstyle.com in the past before, but I know a lot of you guys are curious about the quality, especially because it is an Asian website to buy fashion and accessories and beauty products like that. So there's nothing else to talk about. Let's get into this video. So actually, before we get started with the Yesstyle clothing, kind of wanted to just give a little shout out to my awesome hoodie. I know some of you guys are BTS fans. I've been seeing the ARMY comments down there, but I received this hoodie from Juku store. I'll leave all the links and stuff down below, but I wanted to give a little shout out. It's so soft. It has the Love Yourself cover design on the arms. It's in pastel, and on the back it has the BTS logo on it. We're loving it. I'm just comfortable. I'm sitting on the floor, and we're gonna go ahead and start this haul. So instead of just being like, hey guys, this is what I got, and you guys won't be able to see it at all, I'm gonna go ahead and try on all these clothes for you guys. But the first thing that I got was this white crop top. So this is what this item looks like. I'm obsessed with this. This is one of my favorite tops. I've already been wearing it like everywhere with high-waisted jeans, high-waisted skirts and stuff. I think it's so versatile. It is one size, but I feel like since it's so stretchy up here and then the ruching over here is very stretchy, I think basically anyone can really fit into this, and it feels really comfortable. But I think it's so cute. Definitely has like a little bit of sexy shoulder going on, but I really like it. And the second thing that I got was this beautiful blouse. It does come with a cami underneath, so I really do appreciate brands that do send the cami with a sheer blouse. I'm so obsessed with this. I've been recently trying to find pieces that I can incorporate like in fashion looks, but also in work looks, if that make any sense. But super cute. I love the ruffle detailing at the sleeve with the ribbon. Also the ribbon up here is super cute, and it's kind of giving me like Blackpink Jennie vibes. Anyone with me on that? But super cute, and it's very flattering, I think, and also fits true to size. Now this item does look like a kid's top, but I swear it fits. Super cute. I think this kind of like shape is actually really flattering for your waist, and it has these cute little ribbon detailings to tie up here, and it just flows out like this. Once again, I believe this is one size, but I feel like because of this like stretchy material up here, it does once again fit a lot of different body types, but I think it is so cute. I always love wearing dresses, but I never have the perfect cardigan on top of it, so I picked this one up. Probably would not wear it with this outfit. I want to wear it with like some maxi dress or something, but this is such a cute little crochet cardigan here. It has some ribbon ties for the sleeves. Once again, this bell sleeve is what I'm obsessed with right now, and I think it's just like a nice thing to throw over, especially on like a chillier summer day, but it still is very summery. It is a little bit thin, but I find that that's just perfect for the summertime as well. I am absolutely obsessed with this dress. The quality is amazing. I need to show you guys. It does not come with the black top. This black top is from Chuu, but I really like the very layered look recently. I am obsessed with this dress. I do have to say that it is one of the pieces that I thought would be too small, and that's why I ordered a size up, but it actually ended up being really big. But the thing is, it has these cute little buckle detailings on the side that you can actually like go, like you can see it gets tighter and tighter, and it actually just accentuates the dress even more. So as you can see, it tightens the waist a lot more, or you can actually go ahead and loosen it and wear it almost like a just tank dress as well. Super comfortable. The fabric is very thick. I think this is gonna be a perfect fall look for me. Also, the length of it I think is really nice. I don't really like really short dresses, so having this length where it's only like about an inch above the knee is amazing, and I'm so obsessed, especially this detailing here with the two straps up here. It's just like a small detail that I really appreciate, and this is one of the best quality pieces that I received in the Yesstyle package. I had to pick up another pair of the -5 kilogram jeans in a more of a gray color. I do own a black pair of these, and I'm super obsessed, which is why I decided to buy the gray version. I don't have a pair of gray jeans but I really do like it. I think it just like kind of makes the outfit a little bit more different. It does cut right above the ankle. If you're any taller than me, I think it'll be a little bit more on the cropped side, but they do have different lengths that you could choose from. But I really do love this. This is my second pair of chuu jeans, and I find that it just fits amazingly. And also the fabric is super thick, and it's a very high-waisted pant, so it goes with any crop top, or if you just want to tuck a shirt in like this, you could do that as well. I think I was channeling my inner Adeline by picking up this dress here. It is bright yellow, and I only have one yellow item in my wardrobe, but now I have two. I don't know if I look like a bumblebee with the black and the yellow, but I definitely would love wearing this in the summertime with a layering piece. So as you can see, the bottom has this like asymmetrical ruffle on it. I think it's so cute. I'm obsessed with these mid-length dresses. For my height, actually, it fits perfectly. It hits just like 3 or 4 inches below the knee. Once again, super amazing, like silky quality. And then you can tie these ribbons like tighter or looser depending on how you want it to fit. I love being comfortable, and recently I've been obsessed with these wide-legged pants. So I'm gonna move you guys down because these pants are the next thing that I purchased. This is a really cute kind of like almond colored pant. I've been obsessed with like these flowier pants, and I think this would be really cute even to work. The waist is super nice. I find that it is cinching, but it doesn't like kill my stomach. It's a little bit above my ankle. I think this will look perfect with some slides or even some heels on a night out, but super comfortable. It's almost like you're wearing sweats, but you look a lot more fashionable. I am wearing nude underwear. I did wear it with a darker pair of underwear, and I realized that it was a little bit see-through. So definitely wear a nude pair of underwear when you are wearing this light of a color. But overall, I think it is so cute. So moving on into the accessories and other little things, I did pick up this pair of like black lacy shorts that I can put underneath a little bit of a shorter dress or skirt that might fly up. These are awesome, and they are pretty cheap on Yesstyle.com, so I went ahead and picked that one up. I always love picking up some Yesstyle earrings because they're so pretty, and they just make a statement. This pair I am absolutely obsessed with. It comes with a pink ribbon, some diamonds, and actually the hoop part is a heart. So cute, and it just spices up any outfit. The next item here, once again going with like the fluttery long earring. I have nothing like this, and I've definitely never seen anything like it. It has a little butterfly here, and it comes with this like little chain, just so adorable. And once again, it just, even if I was wearing a white sweater, would look so cute. Okay, I should probably take these out of the bag before I start showing them in a haul. I always pick up so many earrings. I am obsessed with earrings right now. This is the next one I picked up. This is a asymmetric earring, and I think this is so cute. This is the last pair that I got. It has a little triangle, a little marble bead, and a very interesting shape. I don't have any triangle earrings, so I decided to go ahead and pick that up. Now I do have a lot of beauty items already, but I really wanted to try the Berrisom Oops Tint cheek cushion. I don't have any like cushion cheek products, so I thought it'd be fun to go ahead and pick something like this up. It is in the color number 2 Cream Peach. If you guys want a review or a makeup look with this, let me know in the comments. And last but not least, I picked up a pack of stickers. I love planning and putting stickers in my planner, so I decided to go ahead and pick up these cute like little leaflet stickers with little animals and this little girl that's super cute. So that is everything that I picked up from Yesstyle.com, and if you guys are wondering about shipping and things like that, usually it says on the item how long it takes to get to their warehouse, and then the shipping starts after that time. So I always pick out items that usually come in between like 3 to 5 day period, so I get my items faster. But if you do pick something that says 7 to 14 days, it comes later, but the shipping is pretty fast, if that makes any sense whatsoever. I'll leave all the information down below, as well as the Yesstyle link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, all the things. My boyfriend is making fun of me. You want to end this video? But anyway, also make sure to go ahead and hit up my Instagram. I do upload a lot more on there about the pictures, all the products that I've been using, and every time that I upload a video, you guys will get notified on that as well. And thank you guys so much for watching. As always, love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mata ne! Mwah!